Guys, today we are on the fourth part of our Amazon affiliate marketing website. So today we are going to see how to create a pages, categories and menus. So before creating that, let us clear this dashboard. In order to clear the dashboard, click on this screen option. You just untick all the options which is ticked on that, and you have to tick only this WordPress event and news. It will help you to see what are the sales, everything happen in your website. So it will give you a notification here. This is entirely a new website, so we don't get any notification, but if you get any sales, that can be seen from here itself. So that's why I ask you to enable this WordPress event and news. So now we are going to create some pages for our websites. So in order to do that, what you have to do is go to pages. So this is the pages. Click on all pages. So these are some of the pages which is already created. So this is automatically created. We have not done anything. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create four more pages. The first page is the home page. In order to do that, what you have to do is click on this add new. You can type it as home. Okay, you can publish this, then click on view pages. So this is the home page. Once again, go to the dashboard, go to the pages. So this is the page which we have created. So click on edit. What you have to do is go to this template and click on this default template. Under this section, make it as Elementor full width and updaters. So like this, you have to create three more pages. Once again, I will show you. Go to pages and click on add new. Now we are going to create our second page. Name it as a blog. So click on publish. See here, template is available. So click on this default template. Once again, click on this drop down and click on Elementor full width and click on publish. So like this, you have to create two more pages. I am skipping that now, but you can do it. Let me say the name of that pages. So add new. We are going to create an about us page. About us. So click on this template, Elementor full width, publish. Once again, now we are going to create another page. So for creating a add new, then we are going to create a page, name it as contact us. So click on this template, make it as template Elementor full width, then publish it. So these are the four pages we have created. You have to confirm the screen is into a full width and you have to update in all the pages. That is very important. So now we have created the pages which is required. This is very important for designing our website. Now we need to connect our home page with the home and blog page with the blog. That means whenever you click on the home page, it should go to the home of your website. Whenever you click on the blog menu, it should go to the blog of that website. So in order to do this, go to the dashboard. So click on this WordPress logo. Then what you have to do is go to the settings. Under this reading, so here make this select as a static page. Home page should be selected as a home. Then post page should be selected as a blog. That means when someone comes to home, they'll be redirected to home. When they want to go to the post page, they'll be redirected to a blog. So do this and click on save changes. So the next thing what we have to do is an adding category. So before adding category, let us understand what category is. So the categories are used to classify the items properly. For example, I'll show you clearly. It is one of the website. So here, see under this product review, it is not mentioned here. Let me show you another example. We can go to Amazon. So this is the Amazon page. So whenever you click on this is the Amazon main page. This all called as a menu. See, all is there. Then Amazon mini TV, sell bestseller. So this is all called as menu. So whenever you click on this menu called mobile, so under this you will get a lot of categories. See here, mobile and accessories. Under this subcategories are there. Mobile and accessories, mobile brands, accessories brand. The laptop and accessories is one category. These are all called subcategories. So this is all called as menu and this is all called as category. So now we are going to see how to create a category. Actually, we have two types of category. The main purpose of this category is to show the data and clear idea about the product which is available on the website. As it is a e-commerce, we are going to create a product category and also the blog category, because in the same website we are going to have the e-commerce store and also we are going to write the blog. So we need to create a separate category. So for doing this, go to the dashboard. See, this post is used to create the blog category, and here this product is used to create the shop category. First we will create the shop category. For that, go to the product, click on these categories. So here I am going to create one category named best seller. So whatever the product is selling best, which will come under these categories. And slug also I have to write the name best seller and click on these add new categories. So next, see whatever the categories I am adding, you can see it on the right section. Bestseller is there. So now I am going to create another category named baby stroller. And in here also I'm going to name it as baby stroller. So now I'm going to click on add new category. Now the category has been created, baby stroller bestseller. Next I'm going to create another category called baby food. So here also I'm going to write it as baby food. So click on create new category. So it is added here. I'm going to create another one, baby toys. So here also baby toys. So now you can click add new categories. So like this you can create a category for your shop. Now I am going to show you how to create a subcategories for the blog. See, for that also I will show you one example. Take these website 25 ways to make money online. See, these are the menus. Under these menu, they have created these categories. So in the under this, see, they have written the blog. So this is called as a blog category. Shop category means it will come like this. Only the what we can say product will comes here. The blogs will come. For example, see here guides and tips. Under this credit card, pick the best credit card. So this is the blog. So this is called as a blog category. This is called as a shop category. See, you must understand the difference between these two. So now we are going to create a blog category. So in order to do this, what you have to do is go to the post and click on these categories. So here I am going to write the blog related to baby food for 6 months, baby food for 1 year, baby food for 2 year. So I'm going to create as a baby food. Whatever I have created there, same I'm going to create here. Then only I can interlink these categories, these blog with the products. So I'm going to name it as baby food and click on add new categories. Once again, I'm going to write a blog about baby strollers here, baby strollers, baby strollers. So here in Slack also I'm going to write baby strollers. So and click on add new categories. So once again I'm going to create another one, baby toys. Slug also write the same thing, baby toys, and click on add new category. So like this only you have to create a categories for the blog and categories for the shop. So next thing what we are going to see is we are going to see how to create the menu. So for that let me explain what menu is. Menu is nothing but it is available on top of the website. Under this you can place all your categories. So I have shown you the example earlier. See, this is the web page. See, these are called as categories and these are called as menu. Sell bestsellers, today's deal, mobile, customer service. So these are called as a menu. So what is the purpose of this menu is whenever the customers comes to your site, they can easily access your website. See, they can easily see what is available, what are the things available on your website. So that's why these menu is very, very helpful. So here also we have a menu. See here our topics, guides and tips, calculator. So this is called as a menu and these are called as a category. See under this guide and tips, they have a different categories called credit card, credit score, banking, investment. So these are called as a categories. So you have to clearly understand what menu is, what category is. Now we are going to see how to create this menu. So in order to create the menu, what you have to do is go to the appearance. See here, this is the appearance and click on this menu button. So now we are going to create a menu. For this, I am going to name it as main menu and here click on this create menu. So this menu, I have to add these in a top level. So I'm going to add it top level. So, and click on save menu. Creating a next menu, what we are going to do is we are going to see click on the screen option. You just check whether these product categories is ticked or not. Then menu icons. See where is the menu? Posts is okay, pages are tick, customs links, categories, everything is ticked here. Okay, you just check whether these are enabled or not. After that, what you are going to do is we are going to product categories. See here. So in menu, sorry, I have forgotten to add this. In main menu, we are going to add home page, blog, and then these about us, cart, checkout is not required. So then we are going to add what we can add. So click on this add to menu. So if you want to change anything, you can change it, or if you want to make it as a subcategory, that can also be done by just dragging and dropping. So I want these two to be added. So here I would like to add a card also. So this is all added and click on this save menu. Now go to this and refresh the pages. You can see this. Whatever we have added, everything will come here. See here, home page is there, blog is there. So everything, whatever the categories we have ordered will come here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add some more categories. So in order to do this, what we are going to do is go to the, let me close this. So now go to the product category. See here, product categories is there. So click on view all. So we are going to add baby food, baby strollers, baby toys and best sellers. Click to add menu. Now what, now next what you are going to do is see here, if you want to drag anything, if you want to change the things, you can do it. So this is enough. So let me save this. Next what we are going to do is we are going to pages. So we can go to the categories, click on this view all. So here also whatever the things which is not added, you can add here, but we have added baby food, baby strollers, baby toys, everything is added, so it is not required. Next we can go to the pages and whatever the pages we need on the main menu, that can be done from here. So view all, we have added home page, we have ordered blog, cart, checkout. If you want to add contact us or about us, you can do this. I want to add contact us, so click to the add to menu. So these are the things you, if you want, whatever the categories you want to show on your home page, everything can be done from here. So after doing all the things, what you have to do is you have to click on save menu, then only it will get saved. So now we will go to our website. See, now we have only home and blog. Let us refresh this. See, now we got a lot of menus here. Home page is there, blog is there, baby food is there, baby strollers are there, baby toys, bestseller, contact us. So this all has been added. So thing is that now we will do a lot of customization under the section later. So the next thing what we are going to see is how to create a footer. First you must know what footer is. Footer is nothing but it is the top sorry, it is the bottom section of your website. Let me show that. See here, this is the one website. See here we have a bottom side. See newsletter, media kit, giveaway, contact us. So these are called as a footer. So we are going to see how to create this footer section. In order to do this, go to the dashboard of your website and go to the appearance. Then click on this menu. You have to create one new menu. So click on this create new menu. Here I am going to name it as footer menu, and you have to click on this footer. This is the display location is top bottom of the website, right? So I'm going to click on this footer and click on create menu. So now it is done. So in footer, what are the things we have to add means we are going to add this contact us. So let me click on this view all, contact us, sorry, about us, contact us. So these are all the things we have to add in the footer and click on the save menu. So before this, we have to create some more pages. So in order to do this, go to this post and click on this all post. So here we have some, sorry, not to the post, you have to go to the pages, click on this all pages. So here we have the pages which is automatically created, so privacy and policy. So I'm going to click on this edit. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this page. So based on your business, you have to create your different privacy and policy. Suppose if you are not aware or if you don't know how to create this, in our last series like affiliate marketing series, I have created one special classes like how to create an privacy policy for the affiliate marketing website. That is an individual class I have taken, you can watch that. So now I'm going to use the data which is already available and click on the publish. Next what we are going to do is once again go to the pages and you can click on this refund and return policy. As it is a e-commerce website, we need these privacy policy and refund return policy is very important. So once again I'm going to click on this edit and I'm going to publish this page. So I'm publishing. Now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add these two pages in this footer section. So in order to do this, go to the appearance and go to the menus and see here footer menu is available. So click on this view all. Now you will get this refund and return policy. Another page what we have created is privacy policy. So tick this and add menu. See here it all came. So about us is also there, contact us is also required. So add to menu. So now this all is done. So you have to click on this save changes, then only it will get saved or else it will not get saved. Now we can go to our website. So this is our website. Now you just refresh this, you can see the footer right now. See this, the footer is available here. See in between this we have not done any customization. Tomorrow we are going to see how to add the products. So if you add the products, it will come and this footer section will go down. So now today's class we have seen how to create the pages and we have seen how to create the categories, menus and footer section. So that's all for today's class. So I hope this video is helpful for everyone. Do share with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.